Hello YouTube, this is Prajwal Thakur and this is my first video of the YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to tie a knot or the carnet to a kite. So first of all, this is a kite or the patang. So this is the face of the kite and this is the rear of the kite. So first of all, to tie the knot of the kite, you have to make 4 holes. 1, 2, 3 and the 4. So first of all, you should start over from here. From the face of the kite, where the sticks are crossing each other, on the right hand side and next on the left hand side. So first of all, after making these holes and after these 2 holes, take a length of small finger to your thumb and make 2 holes over here again. So after making these holes, you have to take a string like this or a thread and then start off with this string. First of
Ready.
all, you should take a string, well, pretty much big, okay, and then you should tie the knot. It should be a closed string, okay. Then take the one end of the string and take it from this hole, the down one, and turn it and bring it to the face of the kite, and then again taking to the first hole, pass the string or the thread over here and just pull it, okay. When you pull it, just keep on pulling, and after pulling you can either tie the knot over here.
Ready.
You can either tie a knot over here or you can just take this over into this one, okay, and just pull it. Okay, you will get like this, and then take the closed end, the other end, and get down to the 2 holes to the downside. Pass the end of the thread from one hole, turn the kite, and again pass this thread to another hole. Yes, like this. Then after you got this, tie the knot. This knot should be perfectly tight because if you tie it loose while flying the kite, your knot might be open, and then you might fail in flying your kite, okay. So after tying the knot to the 4 holes, you will get something like this. Now comes the main important part.
Ready.
Now comes the important part. So this is how the kite looks after tying the thread to the 4 holes. Now you just have to close, you should take the thread or the string, okay, and then you should do something like this. Yes, like this. It should look like a triangle, yeah. Then there are 2 ways of tying knot. The most 95% used one is after doing like this, you should take your 2 fingertips, the thumb and your index finger, and you should just take it to this side, alongside, like this, and till the plaster. In this kite, you are unable to see the plaster, I think, but in some other kites there will be a plaster. There should be a plaster for sure. This is after here. You can measure it here. It will be equal. Yes, like this. Then here you can tie a knot. After tying the knot like this, yes. I'm not closing the knot because I have to show you the second way. So you should tie the knot over here. You should completely tie it tightly. Yes. And the other way I'm gonna show you is like this. One second. Let me remove this knot. Yeah. After doing this, so this is not a equilateral triangle, as you can see. So to make an equilateral triangle, you have to catch the 2. Okay, you have to catch the string like this and then you should slowly move your, you should not hold your fingertips too tightly or too loose, okay? So you should just move around till here, and you should go to your first holes over here, and then come down, and then again move to your second holes, okay? After this is the perfect equilateral triangle. No need to worry, for your convenience you can measure it, okay? So after this you can tie a knot over here. One second, I'll show you. Like this, okay? So I'll prefer the first one because it is mostly used and it is the most easiest. So I'll just tie the knot using that method. First of all, I go take my strings to the pole, to the plaster over here. One second, I'll just verify it. Yes, over here, and I'll tie a knot. Yes. So after you go into this, do not pull the thread entirely, otherwise you will not get the accurate knot. So you just need to hold your fingers like this, and just pull the thread. So you will get a perfect knot like this, and then using these two holes, the big loop, sorry, then you should use the manja, uh, the thread in the charak or the firki. You should tie it over here. Then you should bend the kite inside. Yes, inside like this. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Yeah, slowly carry on, carry on. Slowly like this. And then you should tie this loop to a manja, and then on the day of Sankranti you are ready to fly your kite. Yo YouTube, thanks. This is my first video. Thanks. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe. Thank you.